In this video we're going to talk about logical operators. So we've introduced you to if-else statements, and we've written some simple if-else statements, but logical operators help us write far more powerful if-else statements because we can check whether multiple things are true or if one or another thing is true. So the logical operators we're going to be looking at are and, or, and not. So and, when we use and, let's see, I've got the expression A and B is true if both A and B are true. So if A is true and B is true, then this expression would be true. But if either A or B is false, or they're both false, this expression would be false. So we're asking if two things are true, if A is true and B is true. With the or operator, we're asking if A is true or B is true. So if A is true or B is true, then this expression would evaluate to true. If they're both true, it would also evaluate to true. But if they're both false, it would evaluate to false. The not expression, we're asking if something is not true. So let's have a look at some examples here. So I have a method called test operators. Now you can see I've named my variables poorly. I only wrote this like this for this example. Please make sure you give your variables a proper name, but they'll suffice for this example. So in this case here, A is false and B is false. So I'm asking, is A true and B true? No, neither of them are true. So in this case, it would print out false. If A was true, but B's false, so is A true? Yes. And is B true? No, it's not. So it would print out false, because they both have to be true. So in the case that A is true and B is true, then this expression would evaluate to true and it would print out true. Now they're both true, so is A true? Yes. And B true? Yes, so this would print out true. Now if I make B false, is A true? Yes. And B is false, but with the or, only one of them has to be true. I'm asking, is A true or B true? So this would still print out true. If they were both false, then is A true? No. Is B true? No. So it would print out false. So in this case, they both have to be true. In this case, only one or the other has to be true. But if they're both false, this will be false and this will be false. Let's have a look at some more complex examples. So I've got three ints. C is equal to 2, D is equal to 3, and E is equal to 4. So just to explain for those of you who don't know, this is the equivalence operator. When I say int C equals 2 with 1 equals sign, I'm assigning the value 2 to C. When I use 2 equals signs, I'm asking, is C equal to this value? I'm not assigning this value to C, I'm asking, is C equal to this value? So I'm saying, is C equal to 4? Well, that would evaluate to false. And we know with the and logical operator, they both need to be true. So automatically, this is not going to be true. So if I was to say, is C equal to 2, well, that side evaluates to true. And is D greater than C? D is greater than C. So now this would evaluate to true because this side is true and this side is true. I should have written or for this one. Let me just fix that up. In this case, I'm saying, is C equal to 4? No. But is D greater than C? Yes. So when we use the or logical operator, we're saying, is this true or this is true? Now this is false, but this side is true. So then it would print out true. However, if I was to say, is C greater than D? Well, is C equal to 4? No. Is C greater than D? C is not greater than D. So in this case, this expression would evaluate to false. So we would not get our print line statement. And we can use more complex cases. You can make these as complex as you like. So in this case, I'm asking, is this true or is this true? So let's see, is D equal to C? No, it's not. So let's check out this. Is D greater than D? No. So this expression here is going to be false as well. So this whole expression would evaluate to false. What about if I said is E greater than D? So is E greater than D? And is D greater than C? E is greater than D, D is greater than C. So this is true. So I'm asking, is this true or this true? Is D equal to C? No. But given that this side is true, we will get the print line statement because this will evaluate to true. So you can build them however you like. You can check multiple conditions using a combination of ands, ors, and nots.